As you prep for this weekend's lab, you will have had the opportunity to review the skills checkoff for the Prosthetics Lab. So our hope for the format for this lab will be that Brian Monroe and Ben Higgs will give lecture and then provide a demonstration of various prosthetics for both the upper and lower extremity. Now, as the occupational therapist, we need to understand what to now do with that information as we craft our interventions. So, like any assessment of any client, you will have performed an occupational performance assessment. You will have assessed their range of motion and coordination and balance and strength. And you'll have done all of that. You'll have synthesized that information, interpreted what you've seen, and then devised your intervention plan, which includes what you're going to do with the client, how you're going to do it, and what are their outcomes. So you've decided what their goals are in collaboration with them. You have identified what activities will best meet the goals that you have set for this client. So a large part of the OT's job with prosthetics is prosthetics training. And a lot of that is education. So your comp skills check for this weekend will really be about education. It will be, how do you educate the client on skin checks, donning and doffing the prosthesis, using the prosthesis during functional tasks? How do they care for the prosthetic? So these are the things that we'll be asking you to articulate, because that is where our role really is with that training and how to teach the client to effectively use that device. So we've provided you a fair amount of resources and videos related to prosthetics and prosthetics training. And in your resources, you will have seen the PowerPoint that Professor Fitzpatrick and I will review this weekend. So be sure to look at this as you prepare for your competency. Now, we will go through this PowerPoint after Brian and Ben are finished. But to prepare yourself, be sure that you're looking at the resources that we're giving you, because that is where you will really get a lot of the information that will help you be successful when completing your assignments and preparing for class. So specifically on this page in the PowerPoint, it is on education. So take a look at this. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions, and we will see you on Friday.